In this DIY, we'll be creating a candy cane candle guaranteed to entrance your sweet tooth. You will need a battery flame candle, plastic candy canes, candy cane ribbon, a hot glue gun, and some scissors. Glue the back of the candy cane and press it firmly up against the candle to secure it into place. Continue gluing the candy canes around the candle, ensuring that the edges are touching for the best effect. Keep going until you've fully covered the candle. Once covered, finish off your masterpiece with a candy-inspired bow to complete the look. Thank you for watching, and make sure to share the joy by sending us your version.